This is Arlene and Caitlin.
Hi.
Hello. We are in our third day. Sorry. We're in our third day, and the past 2 days we've been doing an orientation on what Peru is like, what the organization SIM is like, the missions organization, and what else have we been learning about?
We were learning about how to teach English
Yeah.
to university students and the people that we're going to be working with, which is really good.
Yeah, and so we got to also meet some ESL students on Monday night and last night. Wait, last night was Monday night.
Sunday night.
Sunday night. And so that's been really fun, just making connections and just getting a feel for how things are going to be in Arequipa. So remember, we're only here in Lima for our training, and then once we get to Arequipa on Wednesday, then we'll be doing the real work we came to do. Right now, we are at a park across the street from the guest house we're staying at, which is right behind me. Yes. And so this is Le Parc, and I don't know if you can see, but like behind those houses, look at those beautiful mountains. It's so beautiful here. It's so clean. It's a very well kept area. Yeah, so it's a beautiful place. This is like the beginning of their winter, yet if you can hear the birds chirping, look at her, she's wearing a t-shirt, okay, and it's warm, so it's pretty amazing. It's been good weather. At nighttime it gets a little chilly. Yeah, so that's what's been going on so far. We do apologize because we haven't posted any vlogs yet, so this one will come to you a little bit late, but yeah, we hope to get regular we hope to get regular internet access by the time we get to Arequipa, because here it's been really bad. So please stay tuned to our updates and keep praying for us.
Yes.
Yeah, and Kayla's doing really well with her Spanish, aren't you?
Not so much.
Okay, so we're signing off. Hug, hug, kiss, kiss, little hug, big hug, little kiss. Bye.